A Jaguar, a stubborn roof, and a mystery hidden beneath the leaves. This is the story of how we solved it. It started with silence. The convertible top wouldn't respond. No movement, no sound, just stillness. When it comes to luxury cars, even the smallest issue can hide a bigger problem. So I became a convertible top detective. The first clue? Clogged water drains. Packed with leaves, they caused water to build up right where it shouldn't. That water reached the motor's hidden compartment and quietly damaged the electrical circuit that powers the roof system. The moisture corroded connectors, shorted key components, and left the motor unable to communicate with the control module. Once we cleared the drains, repaired the circuit, and replaced the affected parts, the roof came back to life, smooth, silent, and responsive. At Romero's Auto Tops, we don't just fix convertibles, we solve mysteries. No matter the year, model, or brand, if it's a convertible, we're ready to bring it back to life. And this Jaguar? It's back on the road, top down, ready to roar. We repair hydraulic systems, wiring, and convertible tops. But the like button, only you can activate it, make it work.